Welcome to Foundations of Linux. In this video, we will look at the top Linux distributions for cloud computing and DevOps. Linux is the foundation of modern cloud platforms, containers, automation tools, and enterprise infrastructure. By the end of this lesson, you will understand which Linux distributions are most important for cloud and DevOps careers. Linux powers the modern cloud. Most cloud platforms, containers, DevOps tools, and automation systems run on Linux servers. Whether you are working with Amazon AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Docker, Kubernetes, or C/CD pipelines, Linux is usually at the center of the technology stack. Linux dominates the cloud because it is secure, stable, lightweight, and scalable. It is designed for high-uptime environments where reliability matters. It also works extremely well with container platforms and DevOps tools such as Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, and Terraform. Ubuntu Server is one of the most popular Linux distributions for cloud computing. It is widely used on AWS EC2, Azure Virtual Machines, and Google Cloud Platform. Ubuntu is beginner-friendly, has excellent documentation, and provides cloud-optimized images that make it a strong choice for developers, startups, and students. Debian is known for stability and reliability. Administrators trust Debian because its packages are carefully tested and its release process focuses on long-term consistency. Debian is a great choice for production infrastructure, back-end systems, hosting environments, and organizations that value stability over the newest features. Fedora focuses on innovation and modern developer tools. It is sponsored by Red Hat and often serves as an upstream testing ground for new Linux technologies. Fedora is a strong option for developers, DevOps learners, and anyone interested in modern tools or the Red Hat enterprise ecosystem. Enterprise Linux platforms are also very important in cloud and DevOps careers. Rocky Linux and AlmaLinux are popular successors to CentOS and provide a Red Hat Enterprise Linux compatible experience. These distributions are commonly used by larger organizations that need long-term support, predictable updates, and enterprise-grade stability. Linux is also the foundation of containers. Modern container technology relies heavily on Linux kernel features such as CG groups and namespaces. Docker, Podman, Kubernetes, and OpenShift all depend on Linux concepts, which is why Linux knowledge is essential for container-based development and deployment. For DevOps engineers, Linux is a daily driver. DevOps professionals use the command line to automate tasks, manage server fleets, configure Docker and Kubernetes, and work with tools such as Ansible, Terraform, Git, and kubectl. Strong Linux command line skills are non-negotiable in many DevOps roles. Choosing your learning path depends on your goals. If you are new to Linux and cloud computing, Ubuntu Server is an excellent starting point. If you are focused on enterprise server administration, Rocky Linux is a strong choice. For production infrastructure, Debian is excellent. For modern development and DevOps workflows, Fedora is also worth learning. The Linux skills that matter most are highly transferable. You should focus on command line navigation, shell scripting, networking, permissions, services, and core tools such as ls, cd, grep, chmod, and systemctl. These skills apply across Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Rocky Linux, AlmaLinux, and many other distributions. Linux skills can open the door to several high-demand technology careers. Common career paths include cloud engineer, DevOps engineer, site reliability engineer, system administrator, and cybersecurity analyst. No matter which path you choose, Linux provides a strong technical foundation. Let's review the key takeaways. Linux is the foundational layer for cloud and DevOps careers. Ubuntu, Debian, and Fedora each dominate different parts of the Linux ecosystem. Containers and Kubernetes rely heavily on Linux. Enterprise environments often use Rocky Linux and AlmaLinux. Most importantly, command line proficiency is one of the most valuable technical skills you can build. Thank you for watching this Foundations of Linux lesson. To continue your learning journey, visit labs.destinlearning.com for hands-on labs, video lessons, and PDF resources. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the Destin Learning YouTube channel for more cloud, DevOps, Linux, and technology training videos.